What's really going on, everybody? Josh here with something I found. I was looking around for this. I'm glad I did find it because it has a sample of PEZ candy inside of it. This was given to me by Ghosty. Ghosty runs PEZ Palz blogspot.com. Of course, this is an advertisement. And if we look inside, news, fun, contests, and more. Ooh. Ghosty says, I will enjoy the taste. Let us try the candy. I am going to take it off of here. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. Is this candy? Wait a minute. These are vitamins. There's 8 vitamins in here. Let's see what they taste like. Oh, wow. I can just feel my mouth getting healthy. Wow, those are pretty good. Well, Ghosty, I would like to say thank you very much. And as a thank you very... Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I can feel my arms just getting huge and large. Great. I'm going to... Anyway, regardless, please check out Ghosty's website. I got to meet him in Michigan at the Michigan PEZ Convention. Check that out. But yes, I thought I'd throw a how do you do and a thing here for Ghosty. Please be sure to check him out. Check it out. My content is not affiliated with PEZ either. Yeah. Sorry, guys. But yeah, all right, tell you what it is. I'll eat the rest of these. All right. One more. Getting healthy. All because of Ghosty. Thanks again, Ghosty. So until next time, keep it healthy.